Hello, welcome to Marg ERP Solutions. Today we will tell you about how to create my menu in Marg Software. So, let's start the video. First, go to Master option, then click to Marg Setup option, then click to My Menu option, and then click to Add to My Menu option. An Add to My Menu window will appear. Now the user will select the option that needs to be added for the user. Suppose go to Transaction option, then click to Sale option, and then click to Bill option. An Add to My Menu window will appear. In Name option, the user can change the name for bill as per the requirement. Suppose mention Sale Bill and press Enter. After adding all options, the user will click on Close. Now the user needs to restart the software and mention the user ID password of the supervisor ID. Now the user can view that my menu has been created in the software. Thanks for watching. Thank you for tuning in to Marg ERP Solutions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this, and remember to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you.